Hi, today is the 22nd of July 2019. I've logged into the trading platform with a new strategy. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming strategy. So as you can see, these are the rules for this strategy. So today we are going to be trading volatility 10 index up and down, lower. So we're going to be using the barrier offset and the choppiness index indicator. So we're going to be placing 5 trades, then you can repeat this after 1 hour, and you can do it 5 times in a day. We're going to be placing 5 trades. So we're going to be making $100 in this trading section, and it's going to be guaranteed. So let's see, this is what we have here, 29.686.09. let me just type it somewhere here. That's 29.686.09. so let's make a quick one. So I've logged into the trading platform. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more upcoming strategies. So I'm going to start the timer right now. I set it to 8 minutes. So let's see what we'll be able to do in this few minutes. So we're going to open the volatility 10 index. So we'll go for trade number 1. We're going to open the volatility 10 index. Then we're going to open the chart as well. So first thing we'll do is to set the chart. We'll change this to ticks. Then we'll move this very close. We'll move it very close. Then we'll set our indicator. You go to the momentum indicator and you select the choppiness index. So this is the momentum indicator. Make sure you are using the webtrader. So this is the choppiness index indicator. So let me correct this. That's WP choppiness index indicator. So we've set the indicator, and what we are going to be working with is this red line. Once it's phased up, you click on purchase. So let's set the trade. So you go to the trade, you select up and down, then you click on lower, then you leave the ticks as 5 ticks. Then we set the barrier offset to plus 0.400. That's 0.400. So 0.400. okay. So we're going to be staking 114, so that will be making 20.03 USD. So if you trade 5 times, you'll make 100 USD. You can see it's facing up. This is what we're going to be working with. Once it's phased up, we'll click on purchase. You can see this line, you can see the way it moved up. So once it phased up, we click on purchase. You can see it's down and it's not even facing down, it's a bit parallel. You can see it phased up, we click on purchase. So that's our first trade. Make sure you have a strong internet connection. That's our first trade. We're going to be placing 5 trades. Don't place more than 5 trades if you are using this strategy. So you can see we won the first trade. So we're going for trade number 2. We'll wait for this red line to face up again before you click on purchase. That's a point up. You can see the movement is just going up and down, it's not facing up. So once it phased up, you can see it phased down, that's down movement. So once it phased up, you click on purchase. It phased up a bit, you have to wait for it to phase up. It's parallel, it's up a bit, it's down, and the movement is sluggish, so you have to wait for it to face up. The red line, you have to wait for it to face up before you click on purchase. It's parallel, you have to wait. You have to wait for it to face up. Faced up, you click on purchase. So we have to wait for the outcome of trade number 2. So as you can see, we won the second trade as well. So we are going for the 3rd trade. So after this, we trade 2 more times. We have to wait for it to face up before we click on purchase. Phased up, we click on purchase. You can see the way it moved up. Click on purchase. So that's trade number 3. After this we go for trade number 4. Close. As you can see, we want the trade number 3. We are very close to the line. We want the trade number 3, so we are going for trade number 4. So we have to wait for it again. We have to wait for it to face up again. The line must face up, must point straight up. You can see it point straight up. You can see the movement, so we click on purchase. So that's trade number 4. After this we go for the last trade. Do not trade more than 5 times if you are using this strategy. So you can see we want the 4th trade. We want the 4th trade, so we are going for the last trade. So you can repeat this after 1 hour once you place the 5th trade. You can see if it's facing down, you have to wait for it to face up before you click on purchase. We are going for the final trade right now, so it's parallel. You have to wait, you have to watch the red line. You have to watch the red line. It's down, it's facing down, it's faced up. Click on purchase. That's our final trade. So we want all the 5 trades, so let's do the maths. So this is what we started with, 29686.09. so let's see what we have right here. 29786.28 minus 29686.09. so we make $100.19 in about 7 minutes. That's a quick one. So thanks for watching. Remember to share the video among other traders, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more upcoming strategies. So these are the rules again. All the instructions will be pasted in the video description on YouTube and across all money making platforms. So this is the link to sign up for a trading account, a free broker account. So this is the link to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.